So here we have the Hickok Model 6000 Dynamic Mutual Conductance Tube Tester. This tester has been sitting around for a while, and I brought it up slowly today to give it a test, and we've got a 12AX7 in there currently. I'm not going to give a whole rundown on how these work. They're basically almost self-explanatory. If you have the roll chart or tube chart and have the roll chart here, it does turn with a little bit of difficulty, but it does turn. And let me zoom in there just a little bit. You can see there's the 12AX7 right there. There's a couple of tests for that. So you just simply set this to the, like a filament says 12.6. So if you look for the filament up there, there it is. You put it at 12.6. And then from there, you just move right on over from left to right. And there's your settings, EV7 6080 with a bias of 12 and the shunt of 58. And so you just put these in those positions. There's your bias knob there, there's your shunt knob there, function knob, important. And so the way this thing works is you've got your power on and off here, and by rotating it all the way to the left, it will turn it off, and then you can adjust the line voltage. And you do that by looking over here where it says line, and as you can see, I've got it all set. So as I adjust this thing here, I'll bring it down, and you'll see that the meter goes lower. See, there you go. But you want it set right at the line set. So I'll go ahead and turn this till it gets a little too high. So I'll bring it back a little bit. And there you have it. So that is properly set for this tube. Now we're ready to do the test because the tube's been in there long enough. So we're going to go ahead and press the test button here. And again, this is just a brief demonstration, but I'm going to go ahead and press the button down. And this tube is good. It's not super strong, but it's a good 12AX7. You can see that it tests good there. And if it wasn't, it would drop down in the replace area. It does read in micro-ohms, which is kind of nice. Kind of a somewhat higher end tube tester, I would say. Definitely above a basic tester. And so there you have it. That's how it works. This one is currently working. I'm going to do some more tests, check some other tubes before we sell it. But it's, again, the Hickok Model 6000 Dynamic Mutual Conductance Tube Tester.